It's a brand new day. Welcome back to Mzee's YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you an incredible transformation story. From an abandoned piece of land covered in bushes to a thriving farm. Join me on this story. Mzee is my name. Always here to see everyone who is doing chickens. Of course, I'm the world's best chicken dad. This is moringa, one of the herbs we are trying to plant around. We want to make our farm full of medicinal trees and medicinal herbs. So we are planting moringa. This is a line here. This was our land 4 months ago, unused, unloved, but we saw potential. This land has been in our family for years, but it has been idle since then. I quoted Mama's words. They acquired this land in the early 90s, but since then, no one had interest to develop it. Neither those who has been trying to carry out some activities, no one has succeeded. But now it is time. Our vision, it is to turn it into a thriving poultry farm. Yeah, some of the activities that has been carried out here, they have been trying out planting some trees, but they didn't come out well. They've been trying out rearing bees, and we still have some beehives around this land, but it was unsuccessful. These beehives are still here within our land, though we're having a plan to make it modern from this local way of raising bees to a modern way, just as you're seeing. We have that plan. After planning all and having the section is that here is a section for bees, here is section for what, and also they tried local goats and the local cows, but it's still the same. It is time to make it productive. So this is the land we are trying to transform into a beautiful poultry farm. Yeah, as I tell you always, I'm always with a winning team. Yes, when it comes to all this, we do what we like most. We do our best. Guys, the work is looking very nice. The work is so good. This is the main road. This side, this is where we're having our way to the farm, and this is our way to the farm. Yeah, our land starts way from the main road down there to the swamp. They're about 200 meters from the main road to way through to the farm, and we are trying to make it, we are trying to make it just to get it easy for us and our visitors way to the farm. Just as you're saying, we want to make it this way. Well, this way is the one to show the beauty of our farm. So we are trying to make it from the main road to the farm. So we're going to be having palm trees along the way to the main road. Where we are is not where we meant to be or where we want to be, but at least we're having a view where we're heading. A few months back, I just remember when I was standing in this same place as we were starting, and I recall the words I used in this same place. Guys, they are still in my memories. Planning and the preparation is this property. Of course, we've been going through different steps, and we minded all these steps. First of all, we conducted soil tests. After conducting soil tests, that's when we came up to know that this soil are favorable for poultry farm. Then another thing, we tried to secure relative permission from the elders of this village. As you know very well, in other places, you find that there are some animals not allowed to be raised in that very place. For example, there are cultures, they don't allow maybe to raise goats. There are cultures, they don't allow to raise chickens. But at least we tried to secure relative permits from the elders of this village. Then another important thing we tried also, it was to prepare a business plan. And this business plan helped us a lot to secure finances we are using to put up all the things you see on this property. It was very, very important. Then final, it was preparing land for construction. That one also was done in the past 4 months, just as you're going to see right here inside. Come. Now, alive of our chicks. In 2 months' time, of course, we had to bring in our first batch of chicks, and it was fun. It was joy here at the farm. I just remember when the chicks were just arriving. Everyone was happy because that's what we've been waiting for a long time. Now our chicks are reaching 2 months, and they are moving well, and we are seeing where we are heading. We hope to achieve more, because whenever we look at our chicks, that is the joy and that is the heart of this farm. Our target, as always, is to produce fresh and organic eggs. And what I think, within few months from now, we're expecting to produce our first eggs here at the farm. The girls are just inside here. Guys, whenever I look at them, all my joy is back. You know what? Farm growth and progress. I just see our future a few months from now. We are expecting to start producing fresh eggs daily, producing healthy and happy chickens. and we are creating jobs for our community. That is the progress we are seeing from now. But I can't forget the lessons I learned along the way. One is the importance of planning and research. Then secondly, it is value of community support. And lastly, it is adaptability in the face of challenges. So bush to boom, our poultry farm transformation is a testament for hard work and determination. Thanks for watching. Mzee Chicks, sign out.